Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log in to St. George's online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for St. George's login. And click on this first website over here, Internet Banking Log On. Now, enter your card number and you can enter the issue number and your security number here. Now if you want yourself to log in even after you get back, simply click on Remember Me. Now enter the password. And if you have forgotten any of this, click on Forgotten to recover your account. And if you have not registered yet, click on this Registered option to create the account. After you are done with all of this, simply click on Log On to get into St. George's interface. So this is all we can do to log into St. George's Bank. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.